Hi everybody, this is continuation for Introduction to Excel, and today I would like to introduce you to the operation if. If is conditional operation that allows you to make algorithmic fork in Excel. Let's see the situation that a company who pay salary to their employers would like to give every annual bonus. And this bonus is dependable of how many years this person is working in the company. If employer works more than 5 years, then the bonus will be the number of years the person works in a company in percentage according to his or her year's salary. So, for example, the person works 17 years, then bonus will be 17% of the year's salary. But if person works in a company less than 5 years, then the bonus will be 0. So only old employees will be getting a bonus. So let's go for this problem. First of all, I would like to start with a certain cell. In this case, it is cell C8, and I will make it zoom in so we will see this person. And let me start with C5. Okay, so I will go for title name. Name could be different, but I will put name like AA, then BB, CC. That is just abbreviation. DD, VV, FF, EEE. That will be name of the people. Then here will be year started. As you see, year started is going outside of the cell, so I need to correct it a little bit, and I will do this as the way I told you, meaning to position cursor in a gray bar and then adjust. Year started, so let's start this. 1994. BB started in 2020. CC started in 2021. DD started in 1999. VV started in 2014. FF started in 2019. And EE started in 1997. Okay, here I would like to put current year. Current year. It's not going to fit, and then what I need to do, I need to increase the cell, and then I'll put current year is 2023. Okay, then we'll put year's salary. Again, I need to move it a little bit. This is 76,000. This is 45,000. This is 23,000. DD will be 120,000. That VV will be 67,000, and so on. And this one. Okay, this is your salary. Now, what else we need? As soon as we're talking about size of the bonus, and that bonus is dependable on the number of years that person work in the company, then I would like to put here theoretical bonus, or bonus calculated. Bonus calculated. Next one will be a real bonus. A real bonus, folks, is bonus dependable on the conditional operation. Meaning, if the person works in a company more than 5 years, then bonus will be real. In opposite situation, the bonus will be 0. Now, here I would like to go for years in company, years in. Okay, so now what we're going to do first we will go to calculate years in. That will be cell H6, and I will start with equal sign, and that is simple. I need to go for the current year. Current year is 2023, is D15 minus year started. In this case it's D6. And check, we will see number of years, 29 years. But folks, if I use automatic filling point like this, I will not see correct results. Can you see the result is negative, which is absolutely incorrect. What's happened? Because with calculation of each of these years in, you're going to look at the formula D7 current year here, this D16 minus D7. D16. 16 is cell empty, so we're going to do wrong calculation. What we need to do? We need to first delete all these results, and in the formula for years in, the current year, which is D15, we must use absolute reference. Absolute reference, if you remember, start with a dollar before, dollar sign before letter, and then dollar sign before number of row. In this case, the first result will be the same, but all other results will be corrected. and then you will see a number of years the people actually there. Now, bonus calculated. Calculated bonus, folks, depends on the salary and number of years. So how to calculate? This is years in, that will be 29% from the salary, from the year's salary. Let's start to calculate. Equal sign. We're going to take year salary, which is E6, and multiply by 29%. 29% because that is content of H6. But if this is percentage, 29 will be 2900 because 1% is 100 fraction. So we will multiply by H6 and divide by 100. And then we will see which bonus for the year will get the first person, AA. That is interesting, so we will see which bonuses, calculated bonuses, will get different people. You see, the longer people work here and higher salary, then the bonus will be higher. And now the most interesting piece, real bonus. Real bonus is dependable on the year a person works in the company. And that is started with model operation if, as I told you. If. Operation if contains three parts. As you can see here, it contains logical test and then two different values. Value first, on the first place, will be value if the logical test shows you the truthful result, so this is true. And second value will be result if the logical test shows you false result. But what is a logical test? Folks, this is years in the company. So I will go to first hit the cell H6, but content of H6 must be greater or equal 5. You can see here the sign greater or equal 5, and then I'll put comma. And then real bonus will be equal calculated bonus if this is true. Calculated bonus is F6, and then comma, and it will be equal 0 if this is false. Then I will close bracket and check. Now you can see in this case calculated bonus and real bonus are equal. To do this, I will go to fill automatically all of the next cells, and then you will see a real bonus. And definitely, folks, take a look. The years in 3 bonus is equal 0. The years in 2 bonus is equal 0. And 24 years, 24% of the small salary, $12,000. So this bonus is 24%. And this bonus, a real bonus, and calculated bonus are equal because person works in a company 9 years. What's happened, folks, if somebody made a mistake? Can we correct this mistake in Excel? Yes, definitely, because Excel allows you to correct mistakes just with exchanging data. Consider that the person FF started not in a year 2019, but in the year 2017. When I change this, click somewhere else, and then you definitely will see all situation is changed. 6 years person works in the company, and then her projected bonus and real bonus will be equal because number of years that person works for the company is greater or equal 5, even 6. Okay, now what we need to do, guys, we need to make this problem normally looks like. So where the money, we need to put the money. Where the percentage, we need to put a percentage. So first of all, let's make everything highlighted. Everything highlighted. We will go and make all this borders. Then I will highlight 2 cells where the money, even 3 columns. This is salary, calculated bonus, and real bonus. And this is money. So I can go and use accounting number format. So I will go and make it looks like money. But look what happened. Here is the year salary, looks like number. To make this visible in normal situation, we will go to highlight the things that we made like this, and then we'll make automatic format, and then take a look, folks. We can use auto feed row height, and we can use auto feed column width, which I would like to do. Auto feed column width. When I click it, the column width will be adjusted exactly as we calculated the salary. Okay, what else? I would like to see where is the edge of the page. So if I go to File and go to Print, I will see the information that I made right here inside of the page. And then when I go back to my project, and then you will see the dotted line. It's right here between H and I. So I can make title for the project, which I would like to make with cells which will be merged, and I will make it with a different color. Let me make it gray, and here I'll make like bonus calculation. Then I will highlight this bonus calculation, and we'll go to make it bigger font. Then, folks, I would like to give today's date. I will type =, today, and open bracket, close bracket. That will be formula for today, and then that will be today's date. And what else, folks? I would like to see the sum of real bonuses that we will pay. So that will be the word total, and here I would like to use the range of cells, which will be here, and in this case I will calculate sum equal sum. Then I will open bracket, and all of this selected area will be participating in the calculation of the total. What I need to do, just to close bracket. And you can check beginning from G6 and finishing with G12. That will be a range of cells that we use to calculate total bonuses. So what we need to do, just go to check, and we're gonna do this immediately. Okay, that is conditional operations, folks. Let me show you the form the conditional operation. This is operation if. The data that we can check for true and false could be mathematical formula, or that maybe the word. For example, today all people with the name Smith will get their bonuses, and tomorrow all the Jones will be going to get their bonuses. So operation if, dealing with logical test. In our case, logical test is the years in, which is in the first cell, H6 is greater or equal 5. So folks, greater or equal, this is in the keyboard and in the right lower corner of your keyboard. So you will be able to use this. And don't forget that the first value that you use in the conditional operation is what's happened with the value if the logical test going to show truth, and second value if it's going to show false. That is all so far about conditional operations. Thank you.